Welcome to Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. The hidden gem of the Indian Ocean, Diego Garcia Island. Deep within the azure waters of the Indian Ocean lies a remote atoll shrouded in mystery and strategic significance, Diego Garcia. Located over 1,000 miles south of the southern tip of India, Diego Garcia is the largest and the southernmost island of the Chagos archipelago. Despite its isolated location, this island has a pivotal role to play on the global stage. First discovered by the European explorers in the 16th century, Diego Garcia's story is one of the strategic importance. In 1960s, the United Kingdom and United States established a joint military base here, making it a key asset during the Cold War and beyond. Today, Diego Garcia is a critical hub for the US military operations, providing logistical support to forces across the globe. Its airstrips and naval facilities have been vital conflicts in the Middle East as well as Southeast Asia. But Diego Garcia is more than just a military outpost. Its untouched beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and unique wildlife make it a hidden gem in the vast Indian Ocean. The island is home to species found nowhere else on Earth, making it an ecological treasure. However, the island's remoteness also hides a complex and controversial past. The original inhabitants, the Chagosians, were forcibly removed in the 1960s to make way for the military base, a decision that remains a source of dispute and calls for justice. Efforts to return the Chagosians to their homeland continue till this day, adding a layer of human rights struggles to this island history. Diego Garcia, a place of natural beauty, strategic importance, deep historical significance, and whatnot. It stands as a symbol of the complexities of the modern geopolitics, where the line between paradise and power is as thin as a horizon. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of Diego Garcia. Stay tuned for more explorations of the world's hidden wonders. For more updates, visit our website daily, universalinstitutions.com. Thank you.